Thanks for joining me today to walk you through this 2026 Harris 230 Grand Mariner. So 23 feet in length, the Grand Mariner is a gorgeous pontoon. Love the lights here in the front when everything is kind of lit up at night. Looks just amazing. As we come around here, you can see this is black in color, black tower. As we come to the back, we've got the fender holders here, so a place to drop in your fenders, and then the chain that goes across, that's a safety chain so you can sit facing backwards while you're moving. 23 feet in length, but it does have the extended swim platform here, so you give yourself a little bit more space when you're back here hanging out. We've got underwater lights on both sides. A favorite new add of mine is this Lily ladder, they call it. So nice big steps, easy to get back on the boat, and then to pull it up from up there, it's easy just to pull it all the way up without having to bend all the way over. So that's a great add to the Harris lineup. We do have the Merc. So this is a 300 horsepower Merc on the back of this 23. So join me aboard. Let's take a look at the interior. All right, welcome aboard this 230 Grand Mariner. We'll start here with the back. You've got all sorts of seating options here. This backrest is facing forward. It can face aft as well. These three seats right here can be lifted up to face forward. Storage underneath all of them. We've got JL audio throughout the whole thing and speakers here in the back. Cup holders, places to plug in phones. And then real quick, the layout. This is an SLDH, so single lounger with dual helm seats. See, it's got the American flag there. We've got storage underneath, trash can. Got the nice big backrest here with armrests. Got a place here for your drinks and your phone. Again, JL audio right there. Then we come to the helm. We got the raised helm on the Grand Mariner, so you can sit up nice and high. We've got the extra wide Simrad on here. So that's a new feature for the Simrad, is an extra wide. Again, JL audio. You got some redundant controls here. The rest will be in the Simrad. And then DTS, or digital throttle, here with the 300. Again, great seating. I'll mention the tower while we're standing here. So we've got JL audio speakers up in the tower, Bimini. And then there's also LED lighting throughout the tower. So in this side right here, it lights up on top, it lights up all sorts of different colors. You can make the decision on which one you like. We got the built-in pop-up table right here. It does come with a table as well that can be put wherever you like in the boat. We've got storage in the floor because this is obviously a tritoon, so nice deep storage in there. And then here in the 23, we got seating. We've got armrests that folds down. You've got storage underneath. Again, place for cup holders, LED lighting throughout. As we come around here, more seating, more storage. 230 Grand Mariner here in Rogers. What a gorgeous pontoon. Come on down, take a look, or set up an appointment by giving us a phone call.